Alright guys, so I got the wood paneling off, which I'm actually going to put a new piece of wood down on here. But just so you can see, it's all rotted down here. Now, the ramp door itself has angle iron and it's solid, as you can see here. But the tubing that they put down here is all corroded. As you can see, it's all falling apart here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace it with this. This is extremely thick. It's actually more than enough. And I'm just going to clean it up. I'm actually going to cut all this out, remove it all up, and then weld this against here all the way down. I'm going to pop these lights out because I don't need them anymore, because I'm going to put new LED strips right here. But what I do have to do is remove the paneling on the door, all of it. And I'm going to replace it. Let me kind of show you what it looks like when it's closed. So all this paneling's coming off, and I'm going to put new paneling on. The lights are going to be eliminated. I'm going to put a new license plate light holder I already got. Those little bumpers as well. I got new ones. I actually got 4 of them I'm going to be putting up. And let's see here. I'm going to put another handle like this one on the other side. It's missing. It should actually have one on the other side, but it doesn't. And that's it. But you can see it's all rusted, eaten up here, chewed up. I did paint this side here. I did sand it down, paint it, just to kind of see what it's going to look like. It is going to need more coats, but kind of wanted to knock that out and test that out. So let's go ahead and get all this off. Alright guys, so that's it for this episode. We did a lot of work. It did take a while, so that's why I haven't produced any videos lately, but I did want to get a lot of this work done before I popped out another video. So hopefully you liked it. I'm going to show you around a little bit. So we got this out. Basically just grinded everything down. This is all just surface rust and everything throughout here. So down here, I know I showed you that tubing I was going to use. I decided not to do that. I'm going to go to my steel shop tomorrow, pick up some sheet metal, of course, to cover up these walls. But then I'm also going to pick up another steel for down here. Now this is going to be a 1x2, I believe. Yeah, probably about 1x2. I'm going to see if they have at least 2x2 in here, because I still want to cut these ends off, because I think some spots didn't look too healthy or whatever. But I'm going to knock this out, put a new one in. The angle iron in here is primo, looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Once all that stuff is done, all the welding's done, I'm going to go ahead and paint it, and then put the new sheet metal on, paint the frame all the way around, and then paint the sheet metal last. Now we did get this off here, and as you could see, it's in great condition so far. I mean, when I say great condition, meaning like none of this stuff is rusted, it's not corroded, the wood paneling is still good. As you can see, it was painted red at some point. Probably for a food truck or something, but I haven't done anything else. I did, let me show you guys, and still inside here still needs to be touched. I haven't touched it yet, but let me show you guys the front. A little dark here, but I did get a box, and this is the box that's going to be in here, and it's just sitting up here right now, and everything is going to be plugged right inside here with the battery. Battery's going to sit in here. The splice box is going to be out here, the conjunction box, and the breakaway is going to sit on the outside on the frame. Everything else is going to be inside there. Again, this side, nothing too crazy here. I got the tires off, going to clean all this stuff up like I did on the other side. Clean up the walls here. As you can see, just some of the rust from the mount up top. I actually had to take it down to get the panel off the other side. That's why it's laying up there. The angle iron wasn't connected down here in the corner, so I ended up welding both sides. That's one side there, and that's the other side there. But like I said, that's a wrap. If you like what you saw, make sure you like and subscribe. If you didn't like what you saw, still like and subscribe, because I got other videos that you might like. All right, pretty much that's about a wrap. Have a good weekend. See you later. Peace out.